Yeah. So in the last class, we have just started with something called as the K-map, the basic idea of the Boolean algebra. Why we use K-map? The K-map are generally used to reduce the overall equation or the overall circuitry of the diagram. Okay, so कोई भी diagram होगा अगर आपको उसका circuit छोटा करना है, you have to use K-map. Okay, I hope you got the idea, rough idea how to draw or how to make a K-map, and from K-map how to draw the circuit out of it. Everybody got the idea?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So एक final एक करते हैं and then we'll start with the next topic. Okay. So that आपको याद है कि नहीं? I just will monitor that. Okay. So I'm making a 2x4 matrix. Okay. So that is, we have A, we have BC, 0 1, we have 0 0 0 1. Then we have what? We have
1 0
1 1 and then 1
1
0.
1.
1 1 and 1 0. Okay. So 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0. Okay. So how many groups can we form, and tell me the equation for this?
Sir, two groups.
Two groups.
Sir, 3 groups.
Three groups. Anybody? Four groups? Okay. So two groups and three groups. Okay. So पहला group बनेगा कौन सा? ये वाला. Has all the ones covered? No. So दूसरा group बनेगा ये वाला. Okay. Has all the ones covered? No. Then I'll make this group. Has all the ones covered? Yes. So I have made how many groups? Group number 1, group number 2, and group number 3. So कितने group बनेंगे? 3 groups. Is that clear? Clear?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah. So just tell me equation. The function is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3. Tell me the equation for 1. The first one. What is common?
Sir, B bar C.
B bar C. Very good. Plus second में, the second one. What is common? A is common, that is for sure, and the value of A is 1, so it will be A. What else is common?
B bar.
B bar. A, B bar, very good. Plus N3. N3. What we have?
खाली A common है sir.
A common है नहीं, खाली A common नहीं है. Look at C.
AC.
C is 1 over here. So AC. Correct? Is this clear? Got the idea? Got the idea?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you're ready. We'll start with the next topic. हम अब next topic start कर सकते हैं, and the topic that will be starting this unit, which we will be discussing, that unit is something called as arithmetic and logic unit. So what is the role of arithmetic and logic unit? Anybody? The role of arithmetic and logic unit is to perform arithmetic and logical operation, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
Yes,
ये
sir.
जो पूरा module है, the module number 2 or the unit number 2 is strictly related to arithmetic and logic unit. Okay, it is completely related to how to perform arithmetic and logical operations. Okay, so the first operation that we'll be seeing is something called as addition. Okay, computer के अंदर addition कैसे होता है, that is what we are going to discuss. After that we'll see how to do subtraction, then multiplication, then division. So, and then what is a floating number, how the operation is performed on floating number. So this completely module is a fun module. If you're good in mathematics, you'll love it. If you're good with logics, you'll love it. Okay, so everything is kind of interlinked to each other. Is that clear? So we'll start with the addition. So if you haven't studied anything so far, no issues, you can start fresh from this particular topic, and this particular module number 2 will give you guaranteed 20 to 25 marks. Okay, so अगर क्लियर भी करना है तो ये मॉड्यूल अगर आप पढ़ लेते हो, गारंटीड आप उसको पढ़ के आप क्लियर भी कर सकते हो सब्जेक्ट. So it is that important. Okay, so kindly pay attention. Should we start?
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah. So the addition is nothing but we perform the addition. Okay, so in addition what we do, a plus b अगर मुझे करना है, so ये a plus b जो है, जो operator है add, how the computer actually does it. Okay, so there is something which is called as a half adder and a full adder. Okay, so addition करने के लिए दो सर्किट होती है, एक को बोलते हैं half adder और एक को बोलते हैं full adder. So what does half adder will do? We'll look into that, and what is full adder will do, that will look into that. Okay, so first of all I'll require two inputs. कोई भी addition करना है तो मेरे को दो input लगेंगे, बराबर बराबर.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And what is the output of addition? Can someone tell me output of the addition is what? एक output होता है या दो output होता है addition का? The output is two, right? एक sum होगा और एक carry होगा, बराबर ना? अगर
Yes,
मैं
sir.
5 plus 5 करूंगा तो the answer is what? 0 with a carry 1, right? Correct?
Yes,
6 plus 5 करूंगा, आंसर क्या आएगा? 1 with a carry 1,
one with the carry one.
right? So हमेशा क्या आएगा? सम आएगा और एक कैरी आएगा, right? Everybody agrees? So अगर मैं 1 bit का एडिशन कर रहा हूँ, if I want to perform a 1 bit addition, okay, यानी अगर A भी मेरा 1 bit का है और B भी 1 bit का है, so can you tell me what are the different possibility that I can have? I can have A as 0, B as 0, A as 0 and B as 1, A as 1 and B as 0, and A and B both are 1, right? इसके अलावा और कोई possibility नहीं है, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if A and B both are 0, what will be the sum as per your knowledge? 0 plus 0, what is your answer? The sum is 0. What about carry? Will there be a carry? No, no carry. So carry will be also 0. 0 plus 1, what is the answer? 0 plus 1 is 1. What about carry? Will there be carry?
No.
No carry. So 0. 1 plus 0 is what? 1. What about carry?
Zero.
No, no carry. 0. What about 1 plus 1? The answer is 1 plus 1 is? The answer is 2.
Two.
Very good. 1 plus 1 is 2. In binary, we write 2 as 1, 0, right?
Yes.
Right? So 1 plus 1 आप करोगे तो it is 1, 0. So 0 will go into sum and there will be 1 carry, right? So sum कहाँ पे जाएगा? Sum में क्या जाएगा? 0. और carry में क्या जाएगा? 1. Got the idea? Got the idea?
Yes.
So this is the truth table. From this truth table, can you make a circuit for sum? क्या sum का circuit आप बना सकते हो? क्या carry का circuit बना सकते हो? Can you do that? बना सकते हो? Just by looking at the table? Yes, you can do
Yes,
that. That is what we have studied for K-map ना. K-map के लिए तो पढ़ा, इसीलिए था हमने पढ़ा था. तो sum का K-map बनाओ. Okay. तो sum के K-map में क्या आएगा? We have A, we have B. What A can be? 0, 1. B can be 0 or 1. बराबर? बराबर ना? If A and B both are 0, what is the sum? 0. If A is 0, B is 1, the sum is 1. If A is 1 and B is 0, the sum is 1. And if both are 1, in that case, the sum is 0.
1.
1 plus 1 is nothing but 1 plus 1 is nothing but it is 0, right? Sum. Kindly make the KMF for carry as well. So carry का क्या आएगा? Again we have 2 by 2 का matrix with A and B, which can be 0 or 1. B can also be 0 or 1. Okay, so 2 by 2 matrix बन गया. When A and B both are 0, in that case the carry is 0. When A is 0, B is 1, in that case also the carry is 0. When A is 1 and B is 0, in that case the carry is also 0. When A and B both are 1, in that case the carry is 1. Correct? Yes. Got this idea? K-map कैसे बना समझ में आ गया आप लोगों को?
Yes, sir.
So K-map just came out of this table. Okay, A B 0 है तो sum 0 है, sum 0 है. A B 0 है तो carry मेरा 0 है तो carry 0 है. So that is how the K-map has came. Okay, A B अगर मेरा 1 1 है, that means we are talking about this cell. The sum will be 0. And if A and B both are 1, then we are talking about this cell. In this case, the carry is 1. That is why we have written 1 over there. So we just have mapped into the K-map. Got this idea?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. After this, you need to write down the equation. पहले group बनाने की कोशिश करो. क्या group of 4 बनना possible है in this sum? Just look at that. Can a group of 4 can be made? No, that is not possible.
No,
4 तभी है पॉसिबल है जब सारे के सारे 1 हो, so that is not possible. Can we make a group of 2? Can we make a
No,
group
sir.
of 2? That is also not possible. So can we make a group of 1? Can we make a group of 1? Yes. So कौन कौन से
Yes,
ग्रुप
sir.
होंगे? एक ये ग्रुप होगा और एक ये ग्रुप होगा. मुझे कवर करने सारे के सारे 1 को. So group of 1 से कवर हो रहा है. Okay, so this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Come on, tell me, what is the equation? Sum का equation क्या होगा? So sum is equal to 1 plus 2. What is 1 and what is 2? Come on, tell me. What is this 1? There is nothing which is common. Okay, sorry. There is yeah. So there is like a की value क्या है उस केस में? A की value is 0 and B की value is 1. So what is that 1? A bar B. Very good. And what about the second one?
AB bar.
A B bar. बराबर ना, यही दो केसेस में आपका 1 आएगा. So this is the equation for sum. Looking at the equation, can you make a circuit out of it? Can you make a circuit?
Yes.
Yeah. How to make a circuit? Just draw 2 AND gate. Okay. एक के अंदर इनपुट क्या होगा? एक के अंदर इनपुट होगा A बार B और दूसरे के अंदर इनपुट क्या होगा? A B बार. क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
इन दोनों का इनपुट जो है, आउटपुट जो है, वो हम देंगे एक और गेट को. एंड इस और गेट का आउटपुट क्या आएगा? सम. इज दैट क्लियर?
Yes.
नाउ विल चेक क्या ये हमारा सही चल रहा है क्या सर्किट. सो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? ए को 0, बी को भी 0 रखो एंड सम क्या आना चाहिए? अगर ए और बी और दोनों 0 हो तो सम क्या आना चाहिए?
0.
If A 0, so we'll check. If A is 0, A bar क्या हो जाएगा? A bar क्या हो जाएगा? 1. What about B? What about B? B is 0. If anything is 0 of an AND gate, the output is 0. Clear है यहाँ तक?
Yes, sir.
If any, yeah. A is 0, B bar is 1. If any of the input is 0, output is 0 of an AND gate.
0.
If
0 or
all the
0 is
inputs are 0, in that case the sum is 0. Got this idea? आ गया? So it is working smoothly. We'll check for another condition जब आपका A जो है वो 1 है और B जो है आपका वो 0 ही है. A 1 है, B 0 है. सम क्या आना चाहिए in that case? 1. Okay, we'll check for that. Okay. So अगर A मेरा 1 है तो A बार क्या हो जाएगा? If A is 1, 0.
0.
Okay. So it is 0. In this case B is automatically 0, so मैं यहाँ पे 0 डाल दूंगा तो output is 0. Got that? Yeah. A is 1, तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? 1 आ जाएगा. B बार क्या हो जाएगा? Again it is 1 because B was 0. Correct ना?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So 1 और 1 AND करोगे तो आउटपुट क्या आ जाएगा इस केस में? 1. If one of the input of an OR gate is 1, the output is
1.
so that means the circuit is working pretty fine. No issues with the circuit. Clear है?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I hope you got this idea. Circuit कैसे बनी? Okay. Can you looking at the same way? Can you make the circuit for carry now? It is very simple. ये तो और भी simple है. Tell me what will be the circuit of carry will look like. So carry में सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक ग्रुप होगा, which is this one, and that would be equal to, come on, tell me,
A,
AB. So carry is something which will have just a single gate, जहाँ पे input क्या आएगा? A और B, और output क्या आ जाएगा? Carry. So this is the circuit for carry. Is that clear? Is that clear?
yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So that is how your circuit will be. इन दोनों circuit को जब मैं combine करूँगा, the representation of adder will look something like this. Okay. So this is an adder which will take two input, which is X and Y. It will give two outputs, which is the Z, which is called as sum. Along with that, it will give a carry, which is C out. Is that clear? So internally, there will be a circuit which will calculate sum, and internally there will be a circuit which will carry or which will generate the carry. Okay, but overall representation will look something like this. Is that clear?
Value just above the minimum.
Is that clear?
Value just above the minimum value. So what will be the value just above the
Yeah.
minimum value?
Yes,
So
sir.
this is something called as half adder.
Consider this range.
This is something called as half adder. So there is a problem with this circuit. Okay, what is the problem? The problem is, let's say
2.
if I just want to add like
It will be
yeah,
the value just above the minimum
3
value.
plus
What is
5
the
अगर मुझे
minimum
ऐड
range,
करना है, what is the
What
answer?
lower limit
3 plus 5
of
is
this range? So
8,
what
right?
is the minimum value? The value
What
which
is the
above the
representation of
minimum
3 in
value,
binary? Come on,
it
tell
will
me.
be
3
2,
representation in
right?
binary. 0,
Then
0,
what is the third
1,
value we have to
1.
consider?
What is the representation of 5?
Maximum value कौन सी
Is this
Zero,
color
one,
okay
zero,
या
zero.
मुझे color change करना चाहिए पेन का?
100.
0, 1, sir, white ले लीजिए.
100 because we have that range and it is the upper limit.
So
of
3
that
can be
range.
written down as
And the next value of
0,
the last
0,
value we
1,
have to
1
consider
and
is
5 can be written down as 0, 1, 0, 1.
1,
Correct
0,
है यहाँ
1.
पे? Correct है यहाँ
Yes,
पे?
sir.
Yeah. If I add 1 plus 1, if I add 1 plus 1, the answer is sum is 0,
0.
carry is 1. बराबर?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. So the half adder will work perfectly fine over here. मेरा half adder मैं x दे रहा हूँ 1, y दे रहा हूँ 1, sum आ रहा है मेरा 0, carry आ रहा है 1. बराबर? बराबर?
Yes, sir.
आगे वाले में
Yes,
क्या
sir.
करेगा? आगे वाला half adder check करो. I want to add 1 with a 0. The output is 2.
1.
It is just 1. It won't be 0. ये carry को consider ही नहीं कर रहा है आपका half adder because it is just taking two inputs x and y. That's it. Okay. So similarly over here, if you can see over here, यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? We have 1 and 0. It is not going to consider. Should you consider this carry? Should you consider this carry?
Yes, sir.
Yes, as per the mathematics rule जो आपने अब तक पढ़ा है, आपको carry लेना पड़ेगा. Which carry? The previous carry. आगे वाले carry नहीं लोगे आप, previous वाला carry. So ये जो carry आएगा, ये जो आपका carry होगा, this is the carry which is generated out of this addition, right? ये addition से ये carry आया आपका, और ये carry आप add करोगे आगे वाले addition में, correct है?
Yes, sir.
Correct है. So that was a drawback of half adder. It is good for just a single bit addition. एक bit के addition के लिए it is very good. Okay, it is doing perfectly fine, no issues with that. लेकिन जब multiple bits को अगर आपको add करना होगा, that is not possible because why it is not possible? Because it is not considering what is not considering the carry. It is not considering the carry. Which carry? The previous carry. Kindly mention that. Okay, it is not considering the previous carry. Should we consider that? Yes, it has to be considered because that is what we have studied so far, right? अपने लाइफ में हमने अब तक यही सीखा है कि पिछला जो भी हिसाब किताब है पहले उसको चुपताओ, उसके बाद आप अगला आप हिसाब किताब कर सकते हो. That is how the addition actually works, right? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this gave birth to a new type of adder which is called as full adder, and that is universally accepted adder. Okay, so so the full adder will look something of this sort. Okay, so this is a circuit plus it will take two inputs, one is x, one is y. Along with that it will take the third input which is called as the C in, and this C in is nothing but the previous carry, not the current carry, the previous carry. पिछले number का carry होगा. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
And it will generate two output. One is called as the Z, which is the sum. Along with that, it will generate a C out, which is the current carry. This is the previous carry, this is the current carry. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
And this is the diagram of full adder. This is how the full adder is represented. Okay. So kindly draw this diagram. Not that difficult to remember. Okay, full adder में तीन input होगा x, y और c in. Half adder में सिर्फ और सिर्फ x, y होगा. It won't consider the carry. The output is exactly the same. We have the sum and we have the carry. हो गया?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if you have three inputs, अगर मुझे truth table बनाना पड़ेगा, तो truth table में क्या आएगा? We have c in, we have x, we have y.
So this is one of
Output में क्या आएगा? We have something called as z, which is the sum,
C
and
out.
we have something called as the c out. Okay,
C
यही
out.
truth table बनेगा मेरा. This is what
Yes,
the
sir.
truth table will be. I'll just yeah
So you have
have
to consider
this
only
line.
four
That would be
combinations.
much better
Minimum
क्योंकि
value, value just
issue हो जाएगा
without
अगर
the
मेरा
minimum
एक bit
value,
ऊपर नीचे
the
हो गया
maximum
तो.
value,
Okay, so
value
I'll just
below the
erase
maximum value.
these
So
things
four
and I'll
combinations of course consider
draw it
firstly, you
again.
have to design your test case.
Yeah, so I have seen, I have x, I have y,
There,
then I have the z, which is the sum, and then
so
I have
remember
something
these
called as
four
c out,
combinations for the
which is the
boundary
carry.
value
Okay,
check. Minimum value, value
अगर मेरे तीन इनपुट होते हैं तो how many possibilities that I can have?
below
What are the
the
different
maximum value.
possibilities or
Standard
combinations that I
thing,
can have?
what it says for the
कितने हो
boundary
सकते
value
हैं?
checking.
8. So the first one is 0 0 0. यानी अगर carry previous carry was 0,
From that number
x
of
and y both are 0.
identify what
फिर
will
होगा
be the
0 0
number of
1, फिर होगा 0 1 0,
So in this case,
then we
in
will
this
have 0
example,
1 1.
where the
Then I'll have 1 0 0,
somebody has to
1 0 1, 1 1 0, and 1 1 1. इतनी possibilities हो सकते हैं. Correct है?
as an input there.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now tell me, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0. Sum क्या आएगा?
0.
0.
0. What about carry?
Prime number. How many
0.
digits are you using?
0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is
Input क्या दे रहे हैं हम लोग?
1.
1. Sum
One.
आएगा 1. Carry आएगा
0.
0.
0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is
1.
1. And carry is
1.
0.
0.
0.
It is the range. But
0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2.
100 is the range.
2 in binary is written down as 1 0. 1 will go into carry and this 0 will come down as
One
sum.
value, two value, three value.
So sum में क्या आ जाएगा? 0 and carry में क्या आ जाएगा? 1. Got this?
Saurabh, the answer देखो table.
Yes, sir.
1 plus 0 is 1.
Only one value we are
1
giving
plus
here.
0 is
We are
nothing but
checking whether that
1.
number is
So it
prime
is
or
1
not. We are
with
just
carry
applying
as
one number as input, no?
0.
Yes or
1
no?
plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is
If you
2.
read that,
So यहाँ पे क्या आएगा?
example, a program
The
that
same
had
logic.
integer
0
number,
and carry is
reading only one
1.
number, it is taking
1.
number as input.
Very good.
The range is
Then we
taking
have
100, but it is reading only
1
number,
plus 1
it
is
just
2.
asking for one
2
number.
plus 0 is 2.
So no.
So your sum is 0 and the carry is
So in this case, in this
1.
program, we are
1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is
integer number.
2 plus 1 is
3.
3. 3 in binary is written down as 1 1. So 1 will go into sum and this 1 will go into carry. Correct? So what is sum?
4n plus 1
1. And what is carry? 1. Got this?
4n plus 1 yes.
From this truth table, can you construct
You all have to tell
a
me
circuit
how
out of this? Yes, you can do that. For that, you require a K-map drawn for the sum and a K-map drawn for the carry. Can you draw the K-map?
5, right?
Can you draw the K-map?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah. So K-map का matrix क्या बनेगा? What is the matrix for the K-map? It will be 2 by 4, right? क्योंकि 8 input है, so it will be 2 by 4.
बराबर.
So this is the K-map for the sum, or you can say the Z. Okay. So क्या क्या input आएगा? The input will be the C in AB, right?
So for
यही
boundary
input होगा.
see under this boundary value analysis,
And there will be the different K-map for the carry, right? So carry के लिए एक different K-map होगा. इसके अंदर भी जो input होगा वो होगा एक C in और उसके along we have something called as AB, and this is the K-map for the carry. Okay, or the C out. Okay, so kindly draw this.
Number of test cases by just using this formula, which is 4n plus 1. If you have n number of variables, if there are n variables, then
What are the
4n
different
plus 1
inputs that I'll have?
So you can just
C in can be either 0 or 1. AB can be 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, and 1 1. नहीं, उल्टा है. 0 1 के बाद क्या आएगा?
1 1.
1 1 and then 1 0. Similarly over here 0 0, 0 1, 1 1 and 1 0. Now look over here. C in is 0, A is 0, B is 0. What is the sum in that case? 0 plus 0 plus 0. The answer is 0. 0 plus 0 plus 1. The answer is 1. 0 plus 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2. 2 के case में sum is 0. And 0 plus 1 plus 0 is nothing but 1.
1.
ओके, सो यही चीज है, अगर आप यहाँ से भी लिख सकते हो, आप डायरेक्टली यहाँ से भी लिख सकते हो, नो इश्यूज. ओके, 1 plus 0 0 is nothing but it is 1, so in this case the sum is 1. 1 plus 0 plus 1 is nothing but 2, in this case the sum will be 0. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is nothing but 3, 3 in this case the sum is 1. 1 plus 1 plus 0 is nothing but 2, 2 in this case the sum is 0. Got this?
Yes,
Similarly,
sir.
do it for carry, do it for carry, do it for carry. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is nothing but 0. 0 plus 0 plus 1 is nothing but 0.
0 0 1 0
0 0 1 0, very
1
good.
0.
What about this case? Come on, tell me. 0 1
1 0
1
1 0. Oh, sorry, 0 1 1 0.
0. नहीं, ये भी 1. 0 triple 1 आएगा, बराबर ना?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So once you have done this, now you have mapped this. Now you need to identify the different groups and you need to write down the equation for that. So first we'll consider for this sum. Is group of 8 possible?
No, sir.
No. Is group of 2 possible? 4 possible? No, no, that is also
No,
not possible. Group of 2 possible? Group of 2?
No, sir.
No,
No, sir.
that is also not possible. Group of 1 possible?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So कितने होंगे? 4 है, 4 1 है तो 4 ग्रुप होंगे.
4 groups.
तो चारों ग्रुप के इक्वेशन बताओ, इसके 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 और इसके. Come on, tell me the equation for this. Starting with this. Tell me the equation for this. Just look at this one and tell me the equation. What is the value of C in A and B? You don't have to find out the common because there is just one element, so common find करना नहीं है आपको. So just look at this one and tell me the equation. क्या आएगा? C in A 1 है तो क्या आ जाएगा? It will be just C in, बराबर ना, और A बार B बार, बराबर ना. भूल गए हो क्या सब लोग? Come on, tell me for this one. Just look at this one and tell me what is the value of C in. It is 1. Value of A is 0. Value of B is 0. So what will be the equation? C in A bar B bar barabar plus. Just tell me for this one. Tell me for this one. C in bar plus, sorry, C in bar A bar B barabar plus for this C in AB, very good, plus for this one C in bar A and B bar.
A B bar.
Clear है यहाँ तक? आ गया? Is this clear so far? Is it clear? I hope it is clear to you all.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So once it is done, draw the equation, draw the circuit. You have found the equation, so kindly draw the circuit. So how many AND gates are required? So 4 AND gates are required.
A into B. A program computes. Can you all read this? A program computes A into B,
Okay.
where A lies in the range 1 to 10.
So पहले AND gate का input आएगा C in, then we have A bar, then we have B bar, बराबर. For this we have something called as C in bar, then we have A bar, and then we have something called as B. For this AND gate we'll have C in, we have A, we have B. For this AND gate we'll have C in bar, A and B bar. Is that clear? All these AND gates will give input to a single OR gate. Is that clear? And this would give you the sum, which is nothing but the set. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if it is done, kindly draw the circuit for the carry. The carry में is group of 8 possible? Is group of 8 possible? No. Is group of 4 possible?
No, sir.
No. Is group of 2 possible?
Yes, sir.
Yes. How many group of 2 are possible?
3.
3, not 2. So this is your first group. Okay. This is your second group. This is your third group. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So kindly write down the equation for that. Group 1 का equation क्या आएगा? Come on, tell me.
अरे पण मी काही पैसे त्या तुझे कुठला कंट्रोल आहे?
Tell me what is the equation for group 1? What is common? Just look at this equation. What is common? C in remain common.
अच्छा, कारण मी पप्पांना सांगितलं,
Along with that,
पप्पांनी बाबांना
we have
पाठवले
B
वाटतं.
common. So what is the value of
बाबांच्या
that equation? What is the equation? C in
बाबांच्या
B. बराबर ना? C in B.
Yes, sir.
What about this case? Group 2.
AB.
AB. Very good. What about this case?
बरं काय तुझं कुठे आहे सर घरी प्रश्न?
What about
C.
this case?
C in A.
C in A. C in A. Very good. Okay. So I'll just write down equation for carry. So carry is given by C out. I'll just write down C out. That would be much better. So C out is equal to C in A plus C in B plus AB. Everybody is getting this as the output? Yes?
Yes.
Yeah. From this, can you draw the equation? Circuit, sorry. Yes, you can do that. Just draw the 3 AND gate. Okay. Having 2 inputs, which is nothing but the C in. Then you have something called as A. Then you have C in. Then you have something called as B. Then you have something called as A. You have something called as B. Okay. Get the output into a single OR gate, and that would be giving you the output as something called as C out. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes.
So is there anything to remember? There is nothing to remember. Okay, you just need to draw this truth table. From the truth table, you need to come up with this K map. From this K map, you'll get this equation. From this equation, you'll understand how to make the circuit. Similarly, from the other K map, you can deduce this equation. From that equation, you will be making this particular circuit, and yeah, this is how you will be making your the carry circuit and the sum circuit. So carry circuit and sum circuit, when combined together, it will give you a full adder. That full adder will take 3 input. One is X, other is Y, and the other input is something called as the C in, which is the previous carry. It will generate 2 output. One is something called as Z, which is the sum, and the output is the C out, which is the current carry. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is something which is called as full adder. Fine. Anybody has any doubts so far?
No, sir.
Okay. Anybody apart from you? Anybody else? I should get the response from everyone.
No, sir.
Clear so far?
No, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if it is clear, just tell me if I want to perform again the same sum, which is 3 plus 5, which is nothing but 8. 3 is nothing but 0, 0, 1, 1. 5 is nothing but 0, 1, 0, 1.
0, 1.
Do the addition. 1 plus 1 is nothing but yeah. So पहले एक C in लेना पड़ेगा. By default, we'll take it as 0. The first carry will take it as 0. So 0 plus 1 plus 1. What is the answer?
1.
0.
0, 0. 1.
0.
0,
Carry
0.
1. 0 with carry
Carry
1.
1.
Yeah.
0.
What about this case? 0, carry 1,
0,
0,
0.
carry 1, and
1.
1.
1.
with carry 0, right? यही output आएगा आपका. So this
Yes,
is nothing
Yes,
but
sir.
this is nothing but 8. Are we supposed to get 8 as the answer? Are we getting 8 as the answer?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So is full adder working fine? Yes, it is working fine. एक फुल एडर आप लगाओगे इसके एडिशन के लिए, सॉरी इन तीनों के एडिशन के लिए, एक फुल एडर लगाओगे इन तीनों के एडिशन के लिए, एक फुल एडर लगाओगे इन तीनों के एडिशन के लिए, एक फुल एडर लगाओगे इन तीनों के एडिशन के लिए. I hope you're getting it. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So if I want to perform addition of 1 bit, तो ये कर लेगा 1 बिट का. अगर मुझे 2 बिट के नंबर को ऐड करना होगा तो मुझे कितने एडर लगेंगे? I'll require 2 adders, right? I'll require 2 adders. एक में जाएगा x1 y1 along with x0 y0 along with,
because you have to select that A from the first line, no? 1 to 9. And
why not make it as x1 and y1? That would be much better.
combination
Yeah,
बना
so I'll have x1 and y1 along with I have c in. It will generate an output which is z1. Along with that, it will generate something called as c1. C1. बराबर? It will take the
Yes,
second
sir.
input from x0 and y0 it will generate something called as Z0. Along with that, it will generate something called as C0. तो आउटपुट क्या आएगा? Z0, Z1 and C out. Is that would be your output. तो अगर 2 बिट का एडिशन करना है, यानी 00 और 01 को मुझे ऐड करना है, so the output is nothing but 01. तो उसके लिए मुझे 2 एडर लगेगा. इस नंबर के लिए 35 को अगर मुझे ऐड करना है तो मुझे 4 एडर लगेंगे. ओके, so how to make a 4-bit adder? Just have 4 adders. Okay, so this is first adder, this is second adder, this is third adder, and this is the fourth adder. Correct है यहाँ तक? So पहला आएगा आपका x3y3, then we'll have x2y2, then we have x1y1, then we have something called as x0 and y0. Okay, tell me the output. The output is, for this case, is Z3. Along with that, you have something called as C3. For this, the output is nothing but Z2. Along with the output is C2. For this, the output is Z1. Along with that, we have something called as C1. For this, the output is Z0 along with the C out. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
And we have the first input as C in. Okay, so मुझे अगर 3 plus 5 करना है, if I want to do 3 plus 5, which is nothing but 8, so 3 is nothing but 0 0 1 1 and 5 is nothing but 0 1 0 1. तो मैं क्या करूँगा? Just look closely. Okay, this one and this one I'll pass it over here. So ये one इधर आ जाएगा, एक one इधर आ जाएगा. This is the one for the 3. This is the one for the 5. Okay, and scene में by default पहला 0 ले लूँगा. उसके बाद x2 और y2 क्या हो जाएगा? What is x2 and y2? This is x2 and this is y2. So what is it? 1 and 0. What is x1 and y1? This is x1, this is y1. So what is, this is 0, this is 1. And what is x0 and y0? It is 0 and 0. Got this? मैंने सारे इनपुट अपने दे दिए. Now tell me, 0 plus 1 plus 1, what is the z value of Z3? 0 plus 1 plus 1. What is the value of Z3? It is 0. What about the carry that it will generate? I'll use some other color, that would be much better. So the output is 0 in this case. What about the carry? It will be
1.
1. Okay, 1 plus 0 plus 1 is nothing but the output is again 0 with a carry. This 1 plus 1 plus 0 will give you the sum as 0 and a carry as 1. This previous carry plus 0 plus 1 will give you the output as 1, and the C out will be made as 0. Okay, so looking at the result, I will give 1,000,000, which is nothing but 8. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
if I want to add
Yes.
4-bit number, अगर 4-bit का number को add करना है, तो I'll require 4 adders. If I want to add 4 adders, right? If I want to add 8-bit के number को मुझे add करना है, तो कितना adder लगेगा? 8 adders.
8 adders.
If I want to add 16-bit numbers, how many adders are required? 16 adders. A modern processor has a 64-bit processor, which means it will have 64-bit ka ALU, which means at a given time it can add 64-bit number. So in order to add 64-bit number, how many adders are required?
64.
64 adders are required for performing addition of 64-bit. Is that clear so far?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So 64 अगर adder आप लगा दोगे side में, तो it will be able to perform 64-bit का addition at a single go. Fine?
Yes.
Is that clear? But there is a problem with this adder. What is the problem with this adder? The problem is, look closely, okay? I'll use some other color. So अगर आप ये adder, this adder, sorry, we'll start from over here. This adder can only calculate the output once it gets this carry. बराबर? जब तक ये carry नहीं मिलेगा, ये addition नहीं कर सकता? कर सकता है क्या?
No, sir.
No. Similarly, this adder will perform the addition once it gets this carry. बराबर?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, this adder can work when this carry is available, and this adder
Yes,
will
sir.
work. This adder will work when this is available. This is already available. So this is the first adder which will work. पहले ये एडर काम करेगा, फिर ये एडर काम करेगा, फिर ये एडर काम करेगा और फिर ये एडर काम करेगा, बराबर।
Yes, sir.
सो
Yes, sir.
पहले ये ऐड करने के लिए आपको लगेगा एक मशीन साइकिल, ये ऐड करने के लिए आपको लगेगा एक और मशीन साइकिल, ये ऐड करने के लिए फिर एक और मशीन साइकिल लगेगा, एंड फाइनली जो लास्ट आंसर आपका आएगा वो आएगा एक और अगले मशीन साइकिल में. सो हाउ मेनी मशीन साइकिल्स आर रिक्वायर्ड फॉर एडिशन ऑफ 4-bit number?
Four
How
machine
many
cycles.
4 machine cycles are required? Exactly, so far.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, is it good or is it bad? It is bad because 4 बिट के लिए 4 मशीन साइकिल लग रहा है. 8 बिट के नंबर को ऐड करना है तो 8 मशीन साइकिल लगेगा. 16 बिट के नंबर को ऐड करना है तो 16 मशीन साइकिल लगेंगे, और एक मॉडर्न कंप्यूटर है तो उसके अंदर 64 मशीन साइकिल लगेंगे जस्ट फॉर डूइंग एडिशन. सिमिलरली अगर मैं मल्टीप्लिकेशन करूंगा तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन में मुझे उतने टाइम्स ऐड करना पड़ेगा, दैट वुड increase the overall multiplication का speed, so as the division, so as the exponent, so as the power, and so on, right? So it will increase a lot of time. Thus ये जो adder है ये एक slow adder है. Is that clear? Why? Because it is waiting for the carry. जब तक carry generate नहीं होगा आप नहीं कर पाओगे आगे का addition. Correct? Correct है.
Yes, sir.
So we need
Yes,
to
sir.
come up with an idea. We need to come up with an idea जहाँ पे मैजिकली एक सिस्टम जो है वो कैरी पहले से जनरेट करके रखेगा और वो सारे कैरी एक साथ सारे एडर को दे देगा. अगर सारे एडर एक साथ उनको कैरी मिल जाए तो कितना टाइम लगेगा उनको ऐड करने में? दे हैव एक्स वाई, एवरीबॉडी हैज एक्स वाई. अगर उनको कैरी मिल जाए वो किसी और एडर का वेट नहीं करेगा उसके रिजल्ट का. कैन इट गेट द आउटपुट इन वन मशीन साइकिल? ये एडर
Yes.
ये एडर भी वन मशीन साइकिल में निकालेगा, ये एडर भी वन मशीन में साइकिल में निकालेगा और ये एडर भी एक मशीन साइकिल में निकालेगा. लेकिन ये जो मशीन साइकिल होगी वो सब की सेम मशीन साइकिल होगी बिकॉज नन ऑफ द एडर आर वेटिंग फॉर द अदर एडर टू परफॉर्म बिकॉज द कैरी इज ऑटोमेटिकली अवेलेबल. इज दैट क्लियर? इज दैट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
सो ये जो कैरी का वेट कर रहा था इसको हम डिस्कार्ड करके हम कोई दूसरे टेक्निक से कैरी को जनरेट करेंगे और एक ही टाइम पे सारे कैरी आपको मिल जाएगा. If you have all the carries, all the axes, all the y's, then in the next step you can immediately perform the addition. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 4 bit के लिए कितना टाइम लगेगा? It will take exactly one machine cycle for addition. 8 bit के लिए कितना टाइम लगेगा? It will take exactly one machine cycle to perform the addition. 16 bit के लिए कितना टाइम लगेगा? It will also take one machine cycle perform 16 bit addition, and 64 bit के नंबर के एडिशन के लिए भी एक मशीन साइकिल लगेगा. So which is a better approach, the next one or the previous one?
Next
This
one.
one.
Next one. Okay, so जहाँ पे जो मैजिक हो रहा है ये कैसे हो रहा है वो that will be seeing in the next class. The previous one, it is called as, just remember the name, it is called as the ripple adder. What is the name? The ripple adder. Okay, and it is also called as a slow adder. Why it is called a slow adder? Because the addition which is happening, it is doing perfectly fine. Addition में कोई flaw नहीं है, but it is taking a lot of time. Why? Because it has to wait for the previous carry to get generated. जब तक पुराना carry नहीं आएगा तब तक नया carry नहीं आ सकता. So that is why the name is called as ripple, or you can say it is a slow adder. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
And the next adder that we'll be discussing in the next class, that would be something called as carry look ahead adder. यानी जो carry है आपका वो पहले ही आपको मिल जाएगा, and that adder will be called as a carry look ahead adder, or you can also call it as a slow का opposite is fast adder. Is that clear? So जितने भी मॉडर्न कंप्यूटर है, चाहे वो
Yes,
i3 प्रोसेसर हो, चाहे i5 हो, चाहे स्नैपड्रैगन हो या कोई भी प्रोसेसर हो, it will have this carry look ahead adder. Okay,
Yes, sir.
I hope
Yes.
you got the idea. Fine, I'll
Yes,
stop
sir.
the lecture. I'll stop the lecture over here. I'll just stop the recording. Yeah. So next class